जो फिल्म है द कश्मीर फाइल्स, इसने एक वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड बनाया है पहली बार विश्व के इतिहास में।
मैंने सोचा नहीं था कि मैं किसी चीज में वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड तोड़ूंगी, लेकिन मैंने तोड़ दिया है।
वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड बनते देखना अपने आंखों के सामने बड़ी बात है, वो भी जलेबी का वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड।
मेरी कंपनी कैरबे वाटर एंड सोडा ने इंटरनेशनल बुक ऑफ रिकॉर्ड में अपना नाम दर्ज कर लिया है।
वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड की हैट्रिक बना के अपना नाम इंटरनेशनल बुक ऑफ रिकॉर्ड्स दर्ज करवा जा रही है।
Hi everyone, my name is SUJANA Sreenivas. I'm a grapho-analytical therapist and a handwriting expert and a Rubik's Cube trainer. So I was amazed in 2011 when I started learning this Rubik's Cube. So this was a cube that time it was available, the 3x3, and I was so inspired. I learned it and I taught my kids and also started teaching in my institute to a lot of kids. And from that time, I started collecting the different varieties of Rubik's Cubes, the rotating puzzles, and now it has come up to 144 different varieties of cubes. So any cube, anywhere it was available, I used to buy it, and the collection came up to that level. So thank you International Book of Records for giving me this wonderful opportunity to showcase all these cubes on the same platform. So many cubers will be like aspiring to see so many cubes in the same place. So this is one like will inspire them that I have so many varieties of cubes. So I also thank my husband Srinivasmurthy and my sons Sanjit and Sujit for cooperating with me in this collection of these many varieties of rotating puzzles and cubes. Thank you. So here we go with the Cube Ultimate, Flower Minx, Axis Octahedron, Shield Cube, Blade Cube, Siamese Cube, Rainbow Ball 24 colors, Twisties Cube, Windmill, Fisher 3x3 Cube, Axis Cube version 1. So here we have 2x2, 3x3 Rubik's Cube, 4x4, 5x5, 6x6, 7x7, 8x8, Ghost Floppy Cube, and this is ready Axis Cube, Geo Cube, Dot Cube, Clock Cube, Fluffy 3x3 cube, gear 3x3. This is container cylinder gear 3x3. So here we have various other collection. This is petal pyraminx and maple leaf pyraminx, clover pyraminx, and mastermorphings, stegosaurus, parasaurolosaurus, a 1 centimeter cube, 3x3 1 centimeter cube, and here the biggest cube which I have in my collection. So this is what I have, all these cubes. Thank you very much for watching this wonderful cube collection.